Welcome to the MicroCare booth, and I'm delighted to be joined by Tom Tattersall. Nice to see you, Tom.
Good to see you, Trevor, as always. It's
Yeah.
good to see you, if I may say.
Good to be seen.
Yeah, good to be seen is what I said, yes. It's great to be here.
So, of course, in the last couple of years, we've had an awful lot of different supply chain shocks and issues going on. How has it affected MicroCare?
Well, Trevor, supply chain did impact us a bit through the pandemic, but I'm happy to say we have come through it. We're in great shape.
Right.
Our inventories are a little higher than normal, but we want to make sure we can meet the demand that's coming back from our customers. So our global inventory, whether it's Asia or Europe or America, we're in good shape.
Okay, well, that's good to know. That's fairly typical of a lot of companies in this industry that are running with higher inventories. They've had to move away from the just-in-time.
Right, because things that used to take a couple weeks are now taking a couple months.
Right.
Plus, shipping has been a challenge, as everyone knows,
Yep.
coming out of Asia.
Yeah, absolutely. So, are you seeing any trends from your EMS customers?
The trends, I will tell you, it started pre-COVID, if you will, but the whole idea of sustainability process, sustainability chemistry is what I would say alive and kicking in the industry. And we took a lot of time over the last year or two to reformulate quite a few of our products to meet all the tight European regulations and really help our customers improve their environmental footprint, whether it's energy using some of our processes or hazardous air pollutants, etc.
Right. Okay. Well, of course, sustainability falls into two areas. It falls into the area of friendlier chemistries and things like that,
Yes.
and safer chemistries, but it's also the global footprint as well. There's no point shipping products halfway across the world when you can make them more locally. Are you seeing more examples of regionalization with companies making stuff more local?
Well, I think that was driven not only from the environmental footprint, but also the supply chain being what it was.
Yeah.
So before COVID, we had just began to manufacture in the UK, but with a warehouse in the UK and a warehouse in Brussels, we were able to meet the customer needs and be local. And of course, we have factories in North America, and we have our warehouse in Singapore and a great band of distributors in China. So we're able to have local inventory for the local customers.
Yeah, it's incredible how you've grown so quickly over the last 6 years, really, in particular.
We are still growing.
We're still growing.
Correct.
Oh, that's true, because you're recently now doing more into the medical side. Now, I know that's not our area of directly here, but we do have a lot of companies that make medical device equipment. Talk to us a little bit about what you're doing there.
Well, MicroCare's grown in what I would call two areas and it's all based on cleaning. So we do a lot supporting medical device manufacturers where we're cleaning their medical parts that are then used at the OR, in surgery, etc.
Right.
There we're cleaning a lot of whatever lubricant or oil they're using to manufacture that device. A great example may be something like a staple gun or a scalpel or something along those lines. We recently made an acquisition where we're now taking it a step further, where after those products are used in the hospital, we're helping the hospitals and offices clean those parts. And there it's a whole different slew of soils, whether it's tissue or blood, etc. They have a central cleaning unit in the hospital, and we're going with some chemistry in there that we acquire. And it's been very interesting, but it's all along the lines of our mission to be a top supplier of chemistry and process to help people clean things perfectly.
Right, yeah. Well, it can't be any harder than removing baked-on flux chemistries.
Well, that is one of the more difficult ones, that's correct.
Okay. Good. So I believe you've got some new stuff in the works that we can't talk about yet, so I guess we're going to have to wait till the next time we see you.
That would be my pleasure, and I'm sure we'll be ready to talk further about some new innovative stuff from MicroCare.
Okay.
Thank you, Trevor.
Thanks, Tom.
Ko-Young is leading a smart revolution that will change the world of electronics manufacturing. Based on our pioneering True 3D measurement-based inspection technology, we revolutionized the solder paste inspection market to such great lengths that 1 in 2 SBIs sold today is from Ko-Young. Building our SPI technology, we expanded to automated optical inspection, also known as AOI. Every year, we introduce new award-winning innovations and have proudly earned the respect from thousands of customers across diverse industries. Aside from our R&D center in Korea, we have research facilities focused on artificial intelligence and deep learning across the world to help us further develop proprietary AI technologies for your challenges. With our global network of sales and service centers, we aim to respond quickly to your needs and to deliver the highest level of customer satisfaction.